What is the difference between dynamic and var in C#? Dynamic and var are the reserved keyword in the C# that is used to declare the variable. As name suggested, dynamic is a late binding or runtime binding, while var is a early binding or compile time binding. Let us see with the example. Now you can see here, I have declared a variable y that is equal to assign a value a, b, c, that is a string data type, and another variable l is equal to y dot length. If you see here, if I will remove this l and check whether length property is defined or not, then you can see with the dynamic keyword y, we are not getting any intelligence that length is a property or not. So at the runtime, it will check that ABC is of a string type, and then it will, since string type has a property length, then it will calculate the value of L, and now we can see here. Let me run here. Here we are getting error. Now what is the error? If you see here, error, additional information string does not contain a definition of length. Here that is a typo error, and that is a length. G is missing here, so you can now understand that length is not property of string type, so we got an error. Now I'm again running it and again getting the same error. Why? Because L is a small here. It means we have to define L here like a length. Sorry. Now let me run it again. Now you can see here L has value 3. Now you can understand, while declaring the dynamic variable for any values, whatever the type is, at the runtime it will calculate, it will check that what type of property that you are going to use for that variable. It will check at the runtime. Now check. I have declared a variable y1. Again the value is string type, and L1 is y1 dot length, and console same code that I have written for the dynamic and now for var. Now I am going to remove this length variable and checking whether IntelliSense is working or not. Now you are seeing here IntelliSense is working properly, because at the time of compilation, which is running in the background in the Visual Studio, it will check that ABC is of type string, and string type has a property length, so it give the length as an IntelliSense. So we are getting here length values. Now again let's see here what exactly it is.